Guys, welcome back to the channel, All the Opulent. Thank you so much for joining me. It has been a while. Today, I got like an unboxing for you guys that you're really gonna thoroughly enjoy. So this is a, how can I put it? Like, I think it's more of a summer kind of like Jordan one, because obviously you already see from the thumbnail what it is. But I think if you mix it the right way with what you're wearing it with, you can wear it whether in fall or in winter. So, and I'm gonna show you that today because I also have an outfit that I'm gonna be pairing it with as well. So you're gonna see how I'm gonna pair with that, and I'm gonna be able to wear it in the summer or the fall, whatever. So without further ado, I'm gonna go straight into the unboxing. But before that, guys, if you're new to the channel, if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button, punch that like button as well. Make sure you comment on the section down below. So without further ado, let's get into this, because I've pulled out all the stuff for you guys to get this to you guys. I really like this Jordan 1 because it's just really unique. All right, so as you can see, as usual, it's got the black black box with a gold Jumpman right there. All right, and on the side, there's nothing here. It's just plain black. And here it's got the sizing details, and I wear this in a 10, and it is a Jordan 1 mid. All right, and we got the 23 in gold as well on the other side. And let's see, right here we've got the gold Jumpman as well. Okay, all right, I think that's about it. All right, so and here the Nike ingredient is as well over here. So without further ado, let's get straight into this unboxing. Okay, check this out. You guys ready for this? As usual, you got the tissue paper, the gold 23 with the white tissue paper. All right, here we go, guys. Check that out. Look at that. That is absolutely awesome. All right, let me check out the name right here. It just says Jordan 1 Mid SE Electro Orange Black White Electro Orange Black Noir. So just the purpose for the purpose of this video, we're just going to call it Electro Orange. All right, so let's get on with the rest of the unboxing. Oh my goodness, that looks so fresh. Check that out. That looks absolutely awesome. God damn. All right, you guys ready for this? Because I don't really think you can handle this right now. Like, this is just awesome. Check that out. Bam! Look at that. That is awesome right there. That is some awesomeness. Goodness me. If you, as you can see, like the Electro Orange has this kind of like pearl kind of look to it, you know, which is really awesome. All right, so I'm gonna take out both feet so you guys I can do the 360 for you guys. All right, we don't need this anymore. As usual, get out of here. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Goodness me, is that crazy good or what? That looks so good. All right, let's start with the details on this Jordan 1. All right, we've got right here on the toe box right there, on the outer toe box, it's got the Electro Orange. It's kind of like pearling, like, you know, when you have like I think it's better to see it in person, because it's just the way it looks is just awesome. It has this kind of like pearly kind of like sheen to it, like shiny pearl to it. So the outer toe box is pearly looking electro orange, and then the inner toe box is not a tumble leather or nothing, but it's not really like a smooth leather either. It has a little bit of, I don't know if I can call it creases or whatever, but it has a leather feel to it, which is pretty awesome. Let me bring it a little closer so you can see it. It's really awesome. All right, so the inner toe box is white. The laces is the normal Jordan 1 white lace. Actually, I think this is more of the off-white kind of lace. It's not like completely white. It's like off-white. If you can see it right there. And we got the nylon tongue right there, which is white. And on the nylon tongue, we got the Jumpman, Air Jumpman right there, stitched into it. Normally, this is kind of different because normally they always put like a patch right there, but this is just like outright stitch. It's just stitched into the nylon tongue right there. It's the white nylon tongue right there. So on the shoelace, like the eyelids for the shoelace on right there has the pearl all the way to the top, going all the way to the very top on the upper right there, the white upper here, and then underneath that it's got the pearl, as you can see, and the black Jordan logo right there, and then we got the side panel, which is white. And then this is quite interesting. I've actually never seen anything like this in a Jordan 1 mid. So the swoosh is white, but it's just kind of like tapered with the electro orange color all the way to the back. Right there. So the back panel is the electro orange as well, just purling. It is so cool. Just purling like crazy. It is really, really nice. I know I don't know if you guys, yeah, you should be able to see it right there. Look at that. It's just purling like crazy. Like, it is really, really nice. And what I do like about it is it's not that pattern look, but at the same time, it has this, it's not going to crease like anyhow, So anyway, the midsole is white as usual, mostly standard on most Jordan 1s. And the sole itself, the bottom sole, is the electro orange, which is quite nice as well. Very, very nice. It is awesome. And it's got the Jordan logo right there, as you can see. Sorry, no, the Nike logo I was going to say. It's got the Nike logo right there. All right. So I'm going to, the inside, let's see what we got in here. Okay, so the inside is orange. On the showcasing, I will get a little closer so you can see it. The Jumpman is white. Yeah, shoelace, white, nothing too big deal. But this is actually pretty unique. If you can get this in your collection, make sure it's something you should get. Make sure you get it in your collection. As far as I'm concerned, this is definitely one I want to have in my collection, and I'm gonna do a 360 for you guys so you can see it. So that's the front right there. All right, the side here, and then the back panel, which is the electro orange again, and the other side. Okay, there we go. And the bottom. That's it. So this is the Electro Orange Jordan 1 Mid Special Edition. And this, by the way, I think it's I'll have to check the price again. I think it's definitely more expensive than your normal Jordan 1 mids, because I think this in total cost me plus tax about 140. I want to say the price itself on the Nike website was about 130, but plus tax and everything is about 140. Don't take my word for it, but I think it's definitely 130 for sure. But plus tax, I can't remember how much it is plus tax, but I think it's around that ballpark. Anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna be doing the on-feet and the showcasing for you guys to see, and I will show you what I'm going to be pairing it with in the showcasing, and you will see on feed as well the way I'm going to be wearing it. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me. It has been a pleasure doing these videos for you guys. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button, and like the video. I really appreciate all the support. Guys, thank you so much again. All our opulence out. Yeah.